This is a production of Cornell University.
So we previously looked at a Labrusca type cultivar and how it grew. And this is what we call Vitis vinifera. So this is one of the classic European wine grapes. So cultivars like Cabernet Franc, Cabernet Sauvignon, Sauvignon Blanc, Riesling, Chardonnay, those are all Vitis vinifera. And I can identify this pretty easily as a vinifera cultivar simply by how it's grown. So this type of training system we call vertical shoot positioning, and you can see I've got some catch wires here in my hands. And what happens is that we have a lower fruiting zone down here, and then for Vitis vinifera, we get them to grow upwards because they'll tend to like to grow up. It's a much smaller canopy than the Labruscas, and so what we can then do is sandwich the shoots between these catch wires and hold them in place and put them right up to the top here. So when we looked at the Concord, the fruit was up here. When we look at the vinifera, the fruit is usually down here. And this is Cabernet Franc, and I can identify it as Cabernet Franc because it's got some very lobed leaves. It's 5-lobed leaf, and then Cabernet Franc usually has this little tooth right here in the sinus. This is the sinus of the leaf, and that's how we can identify it reasonably easily. When we look down at the fruit, you can see that the clusters are significantly smaller than they were on the Concord that we looked at. And if I take a berry here and I try to see if it's going to slip skin, it doesn't. Basically, it juices all over, and that's not a slip skin cultivar. So that's how I can identify this as Cabernet Franc and this as a Vitis vinifera cultivar.
This has been a production of Cornell University, on the web at cornell.edu.